As I haven't done a video in a while, I wanted to do a quick one here where I was restoring this old Champion drill press. Some people call them post drills, some people call them blacksmith drill presses, but basically the old bearings had worn away, and when I looked online I couldn't find a decent explanation of how anyone overcame that issue, even though it was obvious that some people had. So what I did here was disassembled this, and what I found was that the shaft was tapered significantly, and this piece, which was grooved and held the bearings, the whole thing was one piece that fit on here. This was the old-timey thrust bearing that would apply downward pressure. So I actually ended up filing or grinding this down to meet the nearest internal diameter of a thrust bearing, which I ordered online. It was just a few dollars. So that just comes in 3 pieces here. Once I got that ground down, these 3 can go on. It is very, very close to being too large here, and this fits right back over, so this will line back up here and allow for the clearance for the pins to go back in, and then this one here is just right for lining up with that. So then when this turns, it will apply the downward pressure, which will come down here and bypass the original bearings for this new thrust bearing. Apply pressure to the top of the post, which goes down, and I'll put a new modern chuck down in the bottom of the drill. And of course I took off the gears here for this, so that stuff, disassembling is easy. What I didn't see a good video or explanation of was what people did here. So instead, when I looked online, I saw dozens of people saying, don't even try. If you get to this point and that is shot, then forget about it. Just leave it how it is. So obviously that's not going to work. So I wanted to make a video just in case this helps somebody else. Thanks.